All righty. Well, here we are down south, and here's a big waterfall that we're going to be doing some addition to. We're going to help my buddy Steve here. Steve has a pool company. He does really good, and he's been around for a while. Where's he at? There you go, Steve. Oh, there you go, Steve. And what's up, Steve?
What's up, guys? How are you,
man?
Hey, Facebook world.
There you go, man. So Steve, that's the pools he does and stuff. He does all the coping and all that. That's all he does. He's an amazing pool builder. So we're over here in this big. We're gonna transform this and take all. It's leaking everywhere, right? So somebody else had built this. I guess another dealer or somebody, you know. Somebody. So we're gonna get it and then kind of take the thing down and reconfigure it, and
we're gonna fix other people's stuff. We're gonna make it look really good.
There you go.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be incredible. It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome.
Great.
So yeah.
Out of all the fixes, it's gonna be the best. I'm gonna rebuild it.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Thank you, Mr. Trump. Appreciate that. You got my vote. Just want to let you know.
I took some time in between beating Biden's ass to go rebuild a couple walls.
All right, hey, good to see you though, man.
It's good to see Dave.
Man.
It's been a while.
Now he's been with us for a long time. How many years?
Probably 15 years.
15 years. Wow, you know,
It's been a while.
big Trump supporter. We like him. We're so close to the election, you know, we got to bring that out. But anyway, had to say hi.
Yeah,
He's awesome. This guy's a good dude, man.
Yeah.
So let me just show you a little bit what we're gonna do in here. Anyway, so this is a huge slide they had come down here. It's leaking everywhere though, right? Thing is.
It is.
So what we're gonna do is get it, take it all apart, and fix it all up, and you know, help them get this thing all running again, nice with no water dripping down through into the cave underneath it. And that's what we're doing. And he said, nice turtle. I don't know. Jerry Romero. Now you know Jerry's a guy down in. He was in Vegas and now he's in Atlanta. Pool builder.
Yeah. I don't know.
You never met Jerry?
No.
Jerry's a great carver.
Good guy, I'm sure. Great guy.
Great guy.
Great guy.
So, but anyway, so we got them, and then there's Mark Dudek. He's Joshua. Anyway, we're watching. But anyway, we wanted to just say hi on a Saturday morning. Say hi to my good friend here before he takes off. So we'll see you guys.